Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how to check your graphic cards in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. So let's get started. And in this video we will also learn how to manually and automatically update your graphic card and how we can roll back to the later or older version of your graphic card. Okay, so let's get started. Here on our Windows icon, please make a right click on it and then let us go to Device Manager. And let's wait for this window to come up on our screen. And from here, we need to click on Display Adapters. Now click this arrow here and you will see the graphics card that that your device has. And once you select this one, please make a right click on it and then let us click on Update Driver. Here we have two choices or two options. So let us first go with the first option, search automatically for drivers. And this will search automatically for drivers, and this says now that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now, if you want to search for an update on Windows Update, you can also do that by clicking this button here, and it may take some time, maybe 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet connection speed. Okay, so if you weren't able to update automatically, then you can also get the name of your disk or your graphic disk and or graphic card, and you can copy the name and then go to your manufacturer website, visit it, and then you can search for the update of the graphic card that you have. Okay, and now if you want to roll back to an older version of the graphic card you have, all you need to do is just make a right click on it again and then click again Update Driver. And here we need to select for the second option, which is Browse My Computer for Drivers. And just select this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you can select for the older version or the graphic version that you would like for your graphic card or disk to have. And then you can now click on next and then just make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so that's how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one.